Need to save just a few pages from a PDF. In this tutorial, I'll explain how to extract PDF pages using Adobe Acrobat Reader, what the free version can and can't do, and the best options if you need to create a new PDF with selected pages. Let's get started. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader and open the PDF that contains the pages you want to extract. You can use the Open File button or open the document directly from your computer. Many users expect to find an Extract Pages option inside Adobe Acrobat Reader. However, the free Reader version is designed mainly for viewing, printing, commenting, and signing PDFs. It doesn't include page extraction tools. If you have Adobe Acrobat Pro, open the Organize Pages tool and choose Extract. Then select the pages you want to save, confirm your selection, and Acrobat Pro will create a separate PDF containing only those pages. If you're only using Adobe Acrobat Reader, another option is to print specific pages to a PDF file. Choose Print, select the page range you need, and use a virtual PDF printer like Microsoft Print to PDF if it's available on your computer. After printing to PDF, choose a file name and save location. You'll now have a new PDF containing only the pages you selected, while your original document remains unchanged. Finally, open the newly created PDF and confirm that it contains the correct pages. If everything looks good, you're ready to share or archive the smaller document. And that's how to extract PDF pages when using Adobe Acrobat Reader. While the free version doesn't include a built-in extract feature, you can still create a PDF with selected pages using the print method or upgrade to Acrobat Pro for full editing tools. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more software tutorials, and thanks for watching.